So what if I told you that the paint on your walls is doing way more than just looking pretty? So today, I'm gonna answer some of the toughest commercial painting questions I see out there. So let's go. Question 1, how long does a job take? Well, I would say like a small office, 3 to 5 days. A larger project, probably 2 to 4 weeks. But here's the thing, prep is the key. All right, and question number 2, what's the best paint for the high traffic areas? Well, think about it as in the type of finish. You can pick a high grade paint, spend a lot of money, but it's not needed. Just go with the satin or even a semi-gloss for the finish, and that's gonna give you the durability and long-lasting finish that you need. All right, and question 3, what does licensed and being bonded actually mean? And I get that question a lot. Everyone understands what license mean, like someone who's licensed with the contractor board, but the bonded, what does that actually mean? It protects you. If something goes wrong, it protects you in the event that something actually goes wrong, both legally and financially. So question 4, what color should I choose? And here's a tip, it's not about looking good. And quick story, blues reduce stress, and greens increase focus, and natural tones, that's what hides your wear and tear. So if you're looking for those common areas where there's a lot of wear and tear, just go with the natural tones. It's gonna save you a ton of money in the long run. And the final question, what should the warranty cover? Well, it should cover the prep work, the material defects that could happen if there's any, the labor, and it should be a minimum 2 to 5 years. And that warranty should be transferred if you decide to sell. And pro tip, the warranty just isn't a piece of paper. It's your insurance policy. All right, was there any questions I missed? Just let me know, drop them in the comments below, and I'll definitely take time to answer those questions you have. Anything about facilities, anything about painting, just let me know. We'll see you on the next one.